Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So let's get started. To draw cute Chica, let's first start by drawing her beak. So I'm going to come right here in the center, give myself a point, and from here I'm going to go down with a curve, and same thing on this side. Then right in this area, I'm going to pop it out a little bit more, just make it a little bit wider, curve, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve all the way across. Then from there, I'm going to come right back to this corner right here and add another deeper curve for the mouth, open mouth, and then at the bottom right here, let's come about right here, and I'm going to bring this down for the bottom of the beak and bring it in right there with another curve. And then let's come back up right here in the center. I'm going to come right here, give myself a point, and from here I'm going to go up and then down for some lips. And right here at the bottom as well, so just a curve in. And then for some teeth, you can, let's see here, just an indication, some teeth. Don't have much room, but I'm going to come right here. And then I'll just go ahead and shade this all in black so you can see what's going on a little bit better. Now that we're done with the mouth, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come about right here in this area, and I'm going to draw a big curve that goes up, nice and high, comes right back down to about right here, and then bring it in. And same thing over here on this side. So nice and high, bring it down, just like the other side, and connect with a curve. Then from there, let's draw in some details. I'm going to come to the top right here, draw a curve, and a bottom curve right here on both sides. And then inside, we're going to draw a circle right in the center. And we'll come right here and draw another circle for a highlight, and then another circle around it, and shade this part in. So same thing on this side. Let's draw a circle right in the center. Put in a little highlight right here, and another circle. There. And then let's come over here. We're going to draw some lashes. 3 really long lashes in here as well. And let's come in here, and I'm going to shade this all in black so you can see what's going on a little bit better. And here. There. So in this white area is where you would put color for her eyes. Then from there, let's come to the top and above her eyes, so say about right here, and I'm going to draw her brows and thicken it up. So same thing on this side, right over her eye. And then let's draw a very small little detail for some color. I'm just going to very lightly come right here and just surround her eye for some color on this side right there. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye right here, just right here, really close, and same thing right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw this oval shape for her head. So I'm going to go around, just draw a curve. And I'm going to bring that curve back to about right here. So I just want to make sure about right there, I'm going to bring this curve in for her head. And here. Now that we framed her face right here, let's bring this curve up a little bit higher, and I'm going to bring it to the center. So just imagining, so say about right here. It's easier for my hand to draw downwards. So I've created that curve. And right here, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to draw her bow. So I'm going to come up and draw 2 curves. From there, let's go ahead and draw the loops of our bow. So I'm going to come right here and in this area, I'm just going to draw this really big bow, curve it, 3 times and bring it right back in. And let's draw the other side, about right here. So if you're using a pencil, just definitely finish her head shape first all the way across. So now whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and finish her head. There. And then for some details on this bow, I'm going to come right here and just draw 2 curves, I mean. There. And then let's draw the top right here, her hair. So I'm going to come right here, go up, come down, and we're just going to draw 3 strands. Just tuck them right in here. There. Okay, so now I think we're almost done, but not yet, right? There's even more details right here. I'm just going to very lightly draw these 2 triangles. You can do that when you're coloring, so you don't have a harsh black line around it, but I just wanted to show you 2 of the markings right there. And before I draw her earrings, let's finish her body first, just in case we don't have enough space. So let's come right in the center. I'm going to give her a neck right in the center, and then I'm going to surround it right here with a curve. Come right back here and draw another one coming to the center. Put a little neckline right there, and then let's draw her shoulder. So come back right here at the top. Then from there, I'm going to come right here and just draw a slight curve out for her shoulder area on both sides. Then let's bring this in on both sides. So now about right there, just go ahead and connect it. Now to draw her waist, so let's come down and keep going. One more layer all the way across. And I'll come right here and draw a line and a little detail right here in the center. Then let's draw her bottom now. So let's go out. We're going to pop this out a little bit for her hip. And about right here. Let's find our center about, let's say, right here. I'm going to draw a curve and then go up. On both sides. Then we can start her thigh, so it's coming down. And let's bring this in. So let's work on this side first, right here. Bring this in. And about right here, I'll stop and connect it with a curve. Then the bottom, let's come out right here. And here. Nice and thick at the bottom right here, and then we're going to go all the way down to about right there, and then we're going to cut it off. Then for her feet, just pop them out, curve, and connect. And then just add 2 curves in here for some details. There. So same thing on this side. Right there, just like the other side. Connect and pop this out. Oops, you know what? I just realized I shouldn't bring that in, right? Okay, so I drew it wrong. I'm gonna have to stop right here. Sorry about that. I thought it goes all the way. I guess it really doesn't matter, but I think I should stop it about right there. Okay, so then now we have her feet in. And then let's go ahead and draw her top. So I'm going to come back right here and give her some shoulders, little shoulder area, and bring this in. And same thing here. And bring this in. Then let's draw this hand. It's on her hip, so I want her hands to be about right here. So I'm going to come back into this area. Come about right here. Shoulders. And connect. So just going to angle. And then we're going to angle her hand coming down this way. Bring it in and then connect. And then right here, I'm going to angle, curve it out and draw a thumb. And then bring this part down even lower and then draw a curve right here. So then for some details, the glove part on her hand and here, and then another curve right here for her fingers. And on her hand, she has this bracelet, so I'm going to pop this out and put in some circles. And then I think she has this little detail right here. I'm going to lightly draw that in right there. Okay, so on this hand, I'm going to have her, let's see here, putting up the peace sign. So let's come right here. And so shoulders come out. So same thing. But before I finish this, I'm going to come in this area right here. And I'm going to draw. Continuing. So her arm is bent. So whatever space here, just finish it up. And then let's see here, let's cut this off. So it's bent up. And then let's draw her fingers. So I'm going to come over here and draw a thumb. And then come out here. Kind of tricky, but right here I'm going to draw a little finger, a little oval, a pinky, and then I'm going to bring this out and connect. So you just want to pop this little pinky here, and then from there you can go ahead and pop out 2 fingers, making the peace sign. And let's see here for her gloves. Right there, add a curve, another curve, right there, and then for her hand. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated. And then let's come over here, give her her bracelet again on this side, pop it out. And some circles right there. And a little detail right here. I think it's right there. And then let's see here, what else are we missing? Oh, okay, so her earrings. So let's come back right here. And I'm just going to draw this triangle and stick it to the side of her head. So same thing on this side. So that's why I wanted to draw her hand first to make sure I have enough room. Draw her other earring. And then some details right here. Add a curve. And right here there's some zebra stripes. So I'll just come in here really quickly and draw in some stripes. There on this side, and then on this side it's kind of like the leopard pattern, so it's kind of like ovals filled in here and there. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw Chica here from Five Nights at Freddy's, the Security Breach version, fun and easier. I know it's a lot of details, but hopefully I was able to help you, and thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.